So my partner is a builder, and his clients invited us this summer to live at this house that he's rebuilding for free. So I became the artist in residence, literally. And this has given me a lot of freedom to really expand my interest. So I've been working with this idea of texture, but specifically the body of the landscape, and openings, windows, wounds, cracks in the body. So I've had a long interest also with this idea of history, the history that we end up building up on our surface, our skin. And I think that has some connection to my interest in old books, being a little philosophical here. So I've been exploring tearing apart these books and turning them into paintings. Here also, when I was traveling more recently, I was working with canvas that you could roll up because it's easier to travel that way. So all ideas of how one adapts their practice to the particular environment that they find themselves in. Working with house paint, you never have to buy expensive materials if you can't afford them, even if you can. And this is a work in progress. This is the real use of credit cards, in case you were wondering. These layers are not adhered yet, and these are covering up areas that will be revealed in the future. Lots of layering, lots of different tools. Playing with this composition of the books. Some quick sketches. Sorry about the shadows. I talked too much in the other video, so I made a shorter one for you. Yeah, so working on the job site. There's one other piece. Here's my little office. One other little piece here. Working with pieces of metal I found outside. I'm gonna have some circles here, eventually made with ink. And stuff that I found on the road.